Fatinga badije.
Mu rukiko rubiri rwitabirimo abanyamahurire ba Greater Bushenyi kandi urukiko rubiri rugenderire kwiguraho kutandika kutebekanisiza umukorogu ombutongore ogurije kubaho ibiro bitano byo kwa Mushanju 2024 omu kishayi kya Bushenyi.
Emyaka 50 no magara g'omuntu kiba kiri kintu chango munongo kikwetaga kuzisya nibinje kuba viro.
District ya Bushenyi kurgetunga district ombutongore naye kazara district zayo ezirukwingana 5 eziriyo nizikora kurungi.
Emwe ekorwa ishaza rumwe irigara agandi wadi tukagazara gagenda bitana cyo mwera kucumanya ngo agutwazire gone district ya Ntunga motukagizara urweje twagizara shema twagizara ubirizi twagizara na mitoma twagizara.
Dr. Innocent Muramuzi orchairman w'akakiika kari kutebekanisa omukorogu atushoborire bumwe ahabiru kubesimisa nk'aba Bushenyi n'ekiri kureetera abajaguza emyaka 5 y'omubuheereza.
Ekizimbe kyo okonkana kyo tucelebrate ekizimbe kyo kikomberwa omuntu wa burijo w'umunyabushenyi kogo cy'umushoro gw'omuntu gwabura umwaka yongero shilingi 10,000 kumara imyaka 35 ize sente zikazitari za central government. So okujaguza gw'abanyabushenyi bukembuka mu kizimbe kirunjo mu Uganda yona icyo cyongane cyo kubanza.
Jafar Basajja Baraba orchairman w'entebe ya 5 mu Bushenyi ashoborire nkurga Bushenyi tunga district batungukira mu bintu bitari bumwe na bumwe omuri amarwariro ebyo bwegese ebyo buhinji ebyo burisa na nebindi.
It is a lot in terms of farming. When you look at agriculture as far as Bushenyi is concerned, automatically we are moving forward. Secondly, when you look at infrastructure, between 1974 and now, a lot has been improved in our district, and I hope we have a cause as to why we are going to celebrate.
Jafar Basajja Baraba azire ngo mu kujaguza emyaka 5 oku kimwe ahakirije kubaretera abakwatanisa nk'abanyabushenyi oyihireho kweyahura omu by'obutegetsi eby'edini n'inganda.
The reason why I say that I'm glad is because this celebration is going to bring us together. First of all, irrespective of either color, creed, political affiliation, even religious affiliation, we are going to come together as Bushenyans.
Bushenyi na izaganyorwa mukorogu omiringo mingi icyo kubanza abanza kunde district icya kabiri amanyino district ya Zaro icya kashatu amanyino yese myaka 5 icya kana twame uwo yafuna muki mu myaka 5 y'abanyabushenyi.
Jafar Basajja Baraba agarukire yagira ngo bamwe abaretire Bushenyi yaranganwa ikabe cyo kureberaho ngo umukuru w'ihanga kandi kikire kubabera umujyenyi mukuru ahizoberyo.
It is not for us on as Bushenyans. We have other external forces, even external people, including the president himself, who have made us improve from where we are and where we are now.
Gasha kwa Olivia Nasasira abwa Sky Television agenshonga omuri Bushenyi.